So guys, Chahal or Dhanashri Verma ka divorce. I think it's gonna be finalized and Dhanashri Verma is going to get approximate 4.75 crores as alimony. So what do you think? Is it right or wrong? Because she is an independent woman as she might claim because she has her own businesses and dance classes as we know. तो हम सिर्फ ये जानना चाहते हैं कि what is alimony and is it right or wrong? Let's just discuss about that thing. Let's keep them aside. We'll also know what is Shal going to do with his new. I don't know. You might know. तो पहले alimony डिस्कस करने से पहले we'll look into dowry system. Yeah. So dowry system में क्या होता है पता है ना? Dowry के सिस्टम इसलिए मुझे नहीं पता था इसलिए मैंने क्या किया सीधा है Gemini, Google's AI assistant. So I went there and I just asked, tell me how did dowry start in India in short. If alimony is right, then let's see if dowry is also right or wrong. We'll get to know about the history of dowry system in India. So yeah. So the dowry system in India is complex and evolving history is a concise overview, ancient origin. Practices resembling dowry existed in ancient India which distinct between gifts given to the bride and gifts given to the groom's family. It's like, okay, we'll come to it, yeah. Historically, there were variation in marriage transaction, including Stridhan, that is women's property in her father's land or property, what we are saying. So that then after evolution and changes took place after many years, तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ over time, what may have started as voluntary gift transformed into compulsory demands, or caste and religious also played, and even the British also played a big game in this. So what I understood, even you didn't understand, even I didn't understand. So I asked Gemini, tell me like you're telling to an 8-year-old kid, because that's the easy way to ask. So, Abhi, imagine long ago in India, when people got married, the bride's family sometimes gave a special gift. Okay, think of it like when you go to a birthday party and bring a present for your friend. Birthday party mein ja rahe. This is my wife, whom I'm gonna marry. Her parents are getting because it's a marriage. We consider as birthday. They are bringing the gifts to her. Yeah, ऐसा इसमें पता चलता है. We'll continue. Yeah. Think of these gifts were for the bride to help her start a new family, new life in her husband's home. Sometimes like jewelry, clothes, things for the house, like pots, pants. ऐसा कुछ मतलब gift दे रहे. It is not a gift मतलब ना voluntarily gift देते हैं. पता है ना हमें पता है मतलब we don't like to go empty-handed to others home like we are going to So over many years, so it's like we love you and want you to be comfortable in your new family. So हमारी तरफ से तुम्हारे लिए gift, बेटी तुम्हारे लिए gift. Use it how you like. Sounds fair? Sounds fair. Yeah. Over many years, this giving of gifts became a tradition. Sometimes that people just did when someone got married. But as time went on, people started asking for more and more. It wasn't just love and gift anymore. It became a demand, which is not nice. But that's another story. For now, just remember that it is a way of giving gift to the bride to help her when she get married. मतलब अच्छे कपड़े, अच्छे घर, ऐसा कुछ gift देते हैं. But it would be wrong if the man asks for it. But it is voluntarily can be given too. So that's how dowry system started in India, particularly in India. Now let's get into alimony. अभी alimony पता नहीं है हमारा tradition मुझे पता नहीं रहेगा कि इसलिए मैं Gemini से वापस से पूछा. If you think Gemini is not genuine, I'll tell you Gemini is a language model. जहाँ Google में जो information मिलते हैं ना research लो articles जो दिए हैं वो सब एक इकट्ठा करके मतलब इसमें डाला रहता है. That's why it's called a language model. It contains everything whatever present over the internet. They have been fed upon and they created this system. That's why AI is great. And accuracy might be 90 to 95%. I assume. Okay, alimony. So alimony in India isn't something that started at one specific point, but rather evolved through different laws of time. Okay, often based on religion, historically, the idea of providing for a wife after separation existing in different forms within religious laws. Okay. According to पहला मतलब alimony was first started in India for Indian Divorce Act of 1869 for Christians. It was brought in by the British for the British people. Yeah, that's how it was started. For Hindus, it came in 1955, which was a significant step providing legal framework. मतलब 1955 से after seeing that it is beneficial for women, even Hindu government, it was brought by Hindu officials for Hindu people to safeguard the women. ठीक है, that's स्पेशल मैरिज एक्ट ऑफ 1954, ठीक है, मतलब पासिंग आया क्रिमिनल लॉ में, मतलब ठीक है, समझ गए इसे। अगेन आस्क criminal tell me like you're telling the 14-year-old because animal is something तो ऊपर का पैसा देना है इसलिए करो। Okay, so animal is just in common. It's more like the gradually took shape through different laws over a long period. Think of it as a society slowly recognizing the need to financially support someone who might be left without means after marriage ends. This means, as a Sanjo, the woman wasn't working when she was married. So suddenly she was divorced by the man. So it's evident that she has to begin earn money because she wasn't working. Okay, I respect that. That is totally fair. Okay. It's where the idea of taking care of white nation wasn't really written down in formal laws. By the way, it was often based on relatives, personal, but it's a good thing when if she is not work, she wasn't working because she was married. She was like dependent on the man. So alimony played a significant role. I agree. Different religions had their own ideas about what should happen when a couple split. Later, after India became independent, there was a push to create more comprehensive laws. A big step towards the Indian Act of 1955. The law provided a clear framework for both temporary alimony while the divorce was going. Well, just how the issue was not that's how it was going. The same thing, permanent alimony became one. It even allowed both husband and wife to claim alimony. Okay, depending on their financial status. Different husband is earning less, he makes the alimony. If the woman is earning less, so that lifestyle mattered. Although it was more common for wives, there were other laws for different communities. Okay, just for period. So to sum it up, alimony laws in India evolved both at starting a religious custom and then becoming a formalized through various sections of parliament. So it is all about making people who are financially dependent have a way to support when their marriage or family situation changes. It clearly tells someone, I don't know if it's completely true or not, someone who was dependent on their partner and when they are left by their partner, तो उन्हें सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है इसलिए एलिमनी देना पड़ता है एंड इट इज चाइल्ड चाइल्ड सपोर्ट भी देना पड़ता है बट इट्स नॉट अ वे टू बिकम अ मिलियनेयर थ्रू योर हस्बैंड दैट्स व्हाट मोस्ट ऑफ द वुमेन आर डूइंग लाइक हकीमी द फुटबॉल प्लेयर पीएसजी उसका वाइफ पे मतलब शी वाज क्लेमिंग बट ही वाज इंटेलिजेंट दैट ही उसका सारा प्रॉपर्टी है ना वो अपने माँ के नाम किया था सेम लाइक हार्दिक पांड्या सो आई डोंट नो हाउ यूजुअली द channel is going to act upon this but we know it's just that 4.75 crores he has to give the alimony and all the very best so guys that's all it about dowry and alimony against these things and all so we'll get back in the next video very soon